Hi, Stacy. This is Jennifer. I just wanted to let you know where the meeting request showed up for me. So initially, I was in my email, my Outlook, the webmail version, and I went up to my calendar over here. And when I looked at my calendar, it did not appear on my Outlook calendar over here. So I was a little concerned about where the meeting link went to so I could join the meeting on Thursday. Down below, if I click on my Microsoft Teams icon in my lower tray of my computer, I can open MS Teams, and there is a calendar feature over on the left-hand side, a little icon. If I click on that calendar, I can see a secondary calendar that opens up just in this product, and there's the meeting request right there. And then I can just click right here to join the meeting on Thursday. So it looks like you've been successful and that you've placed it there. I just need to make sure I click on my MS Teams calendar and not my Outlook calendar. So just wanted to give you that little update. Thanks so much for practicing with us this morning. Bye-bye.